Not too tight, but tight. It's like that one down there. It feels pretty good. I'm gonna put just a little more pressure on it. All right, that's tight. Then we gotta go back down to this one right here, which is a 9/16. This one up here was a half. You wanna tighten her up. I'm doing all this in the parking lot too, so it's not hard. You don't want it too tight, but we're gonna make sure she don't fall off. That's probably good right there. That seems a lot better. That seems a lot better. A lot tighter. What do you think? Yeah, the square one. All right, we're about to see if what I did was right. I made sure all that was tight, right? All right, I made sure it was tight. Got the wife, soon-to-be wife, cranking it. Seems to be fine.